Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook London broil. First, understand that London broil isn't a specific cut, but rather a preparation method for lean, tougher cuts like top round or flank steak. To ensure tenderness, consider lightly pounding the meat with a mallet. This simple step helps break down muscle fibers, making your London broil much more enjoyable. It's a foundational step for a delicious outcome. Marinating is your secret weapon for a flavorful and tender London broil. A well-balanced marinade, featuring an acid like red wine vinegar or lemon juice, along with olive oil and your favorite herbs and spices, works wonders. Aim to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, but for maximum tenderness and flavor, let it soak for 4 to 12 hours in the refrigerator. This step infuses the meat with incredible taste. For perfect London broil, high heat cooking is key. Whether you're grilling outdoors or using your oven's broiler, preheat to a scorching 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the meat for about 3 to 6 minutes per side, depending on thickness, to achieve a beautiful medium rare. Always use a meat thermometer to hit that sweet spot of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal tenderness and juiciness. The final, crucial steps are resting and slicing. After cooking, transfer your London broil to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 10 minutes, loosely tented with foil. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is succulent. When slicing, always go against the grain into thin strips. This shortens the muscle fibers, making your London broil incredibly tender and easy to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.